My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the new adware type application called SupportSkyReference. SupportSkyReference is the adware belonging to the adload family. This particular adware, once installed, may display a lot of intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. The adware may also periodically cause unwanted browser redirections to random websites. So if you have found its presence on your system, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of it. So check your Finder, check your applications, right-click on this program and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner, which can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install it, and start researching the computer to detect and remove all other threats which could still remain on the system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.